at the grocery. So we're gonna buy some goods. Some goods.
Yes.
Yeah.
Going to buy some junk foods for tomorrow.
So we're gonna buy a bihon. Crizel is the one who cooked bihon for tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah.
We're now riding a Buruon jeep. We're headed to Ocean View. Kenneth. Oo.
Hello, so we have taken our first ride together. The 4 of us, we've taken the Buruon line, and I think we are halfway through to our next stop. I will keep asking Gazelle if we're almost there, but she kept telling me that we're way far from where we are.
We're almost there.
Yeah. So here we are in the Buruon. So this is our stop. So we're gonna ride a budget
Yes,
to
we
going
will ride a
to
budget.
Linamon Ocean View.
Let's go. Let's find some badja.
Yeah.
So hello guys, we already arrived at Ocean View Beach Resort located in Linamon. So say hi, hi guys.
Very hot here.
Yes.
God, it's so hot. Finally here.
Yeah, so we're entering now the beach resort.
Oh.
So guys, this is the view of Ocean View. So this is located in Linamon. So as you can see, the ambience is very good. You see that? But it's very hot.
So we're coming to
So we are now going to our designated cottage. So we paid 200 pesos for our cottage and 20 pesos each for the entrance fee. Kenneth, what are you doing?
흔들린 별빛에 퍼지는 시계 소리 바람에 들려오는 너를 찾아 everyday 별이 눈 뜰 때 보이는 우리만의 비밀 paradise paradise 너와 물들어간 시간 속에서 찾을 거야 널 기다릴 수 있는 나를 깨워주는 moonlight 서로를 비추는 spotlight day 난 널
Oh, hello guys. Now we're here at Ocean View and this place is so very nice. Look. Look the sea. This place is so very nice and very satisfying. It can be a stress reliever for us. So now we are here in our cottage. Here is Reese.
Yeah.
And here's
it's
my
me.
other group members. Now we were going to eat breakfast before we will do swimming.
So Crisel's the one who arranged our food because she is our mother today. Today's video.
You know what it is? The girls are back.
Brave sound.
We're gonna be summer kids, yeah.
So now we're currently eating.
So now guys, we are going to swim. Yes. Huh?
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed. So let me
Mark, are you okay over there? Oh my gosh.
kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the
He
back of
looks
my
like crazy.
mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my
That's big fun.
I think there's a shoka in this thing. Are you okay, bitch? You okay, bitch?
driving down the freeway.
Oh my god, you
I only
surrendered!
got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da la 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 da 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 dee da da la 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 da la da la la la.
So guys, we are now riding a boat.
Basa ah, pag ganun sa nina eh.
Uy, say hi.
Brave girls, you ready?
나를 잊지 못해, baby. 날 보며 완이었던 너의 미소에 홀린 듯 I'm falling love, 너무 쪽팔리네. 한마디 말도 못해, baby. 너의 눈빛은 날 자꾸 네 곁을 맴돌게. Just only you. 굳게 닫힌 내 맘이 어느새 무너져 버려 because of you. 또 너의 생각뿐이야. 나도 미치겠어. 너무 보고 싶어. 매일매일매일 자꾸 초라해지잖아 내 모습이. 그대가 내게 말해줘 사랑한다고.
So, hello guys. Now we're going home because it's already 5 p.m. and
We are tired.
We are
Yeah.
so very tired.
kondo ka ng tama na sino. That's all, and thank you for watching for this video. Please subscribe and click the ring button. Thank you, bye bye.